Are you the proud owner of an arcade? Are you looking for another quality attraction keeping players on the edge? Introducing the Target Shooting Fun Park game. This exciting contraption moves the target to a random position after each successful shot, keeping players always on the edge. Get competitive with friends on the top 3 scores leaderboard. Equipped with advanced features such as OLED display and wireless pistol connectivity, your players will have a premium experience. Keep the game fair with anti-cheating technologies such as ultrasonic pistol distance mandator and third-party pistol rejection. Come next week to the demo and try it out for yourself.